Hello and welcome back to Not a Proper Classic. Today's part 2 of running issues on the Merc. I've got some new leads, Hitachi ones, which are there. So hopefully that will solve my running issues that I've got. Just need to disconnect, whack it off, sort that out, and hopefully we'll get there. So yeah, let's get on with it. Okay, so as you can see, Alright, I've been in here before, labelled them 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I'm just going to work methodically, back to front, follow them around to where they join. I'm assuming that's the coil down in there, and the front set. So the front set and the back set, follow them one lead at a time. Yeah, take out the old, put in the new, and hopefully, fingers crossed, it will work. So they're proving an absolute nightmare to pull out, but I've got number 4 out here using some mole grips, yanking at the cable and getting it out. So I'll put the new one in, like for like replacement, and just work my way through all the leads. We'll be back on time lapse. So I've made probably an error, pulled the lead. Where is it? I pulled the lead. The lead came out. The rubber boot is still in there. It's that one there. So I want to use got a blade to cut out the bottom and try and get the other 2 off. But fingers crossed. Wish me luck. I don't know how much of this you'll be able to see, but there's my new number 4 cable. See the ribbed end, just need to get that to go in over there. I don't know if you heard that. That all went in. I think we're in. So I'll just do the other 2, and then we'll just have to see how we get on. So after a bit of a battle, new leads are in. So let's start her up, see if it'll geez, whether it's done the job this time. Hope I have the right keys. There we go. She might be slow cranking because she's been sat here a while. Bugger. still don't think he's that happy. Something's not quite right still. Leave it with me. I'll come back to you another time, but in the meantime, thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe, and any comments, please put it in the comments below.